What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to do an introduction to an exchange called Tbitex. They were a partner of mine. They're relatively new to the game. They've only been around since February 2021. They're mostly a derivatives-based exchange that caters to a more advanced level of trader. There is spot market trading too, and then there's obviously futures trading and leverage trading. The leverage amounts they allow up to 100 times. That's pretty good for most exchanges. So their history, so again, founded in February 2021. They already have over 500,000 registered users in 20 countries across the globe. There's a pretty good user number since they've only been around for 15 months. They are based in the US, and they pride themselves on putting a heavy focus on the technical design and the security aspects. Again, they cater to a more advanced level trader. So what makes their trading system exchange unique? So a couple things. So they offer separate position mode. So this allows you to separate orders hedging in the same direction. For example, a user can open up 10 independent orders on one asset, and then they can add closing positions for each of those orders, including a limit order and a market order. They are the only exchange that offers that, actually. They have pretty good trading benefits. You can win between 100 USDT and 1,000 USDT, depending on how profitable your trading is. Specifically, if you trade more than 200 USDT and the profit is greater than 100%, you'll receive 2% of the net profit generated from that order. So basically, if you trade profitably, you get to keep 2% of the profits. That's pretty impressive. Can't complain there. What other exchange offers that? Reverse positioning. So this allows users to reverse short or long positions when the market is trending unfavorably. So the system will automatically close all holding positions at the best market price, and it will open up the same position in the opposite direction in the same amount to avoid mismatched pricing. And then full compensation program. This is pretty funky. So if slippage on any trade is greater than 0.3%, or there's just general huge price spikes, or there's network errors, system downtime, you can apply, just fill out the sort of basic information, and then you can be, in some cases, fully compensated for your losses. That's pretty neat there. So they're actually a pretty big company. It's only been about a year and 3 months. They already have 128 employees. In the 15 months, they've literally gone from 0 employees to 128, so they're growing rapidly, even though they're kind of more of an under-the-radar, quiet exchange. Here's the team. They're based mostly in Los Angeles and Hong Kong, a little bit other areas of the U.S. Their CEO, Stephen Lee, so he is in Hong Kong, so he has mostly a finance trading background. He was the investment director at Tron, actually, Tron DAO. He used to work for Bit Digital, so that's his crypto background, and then he was the senior trader for a long time at HSBC. So he's got more of the perfect sort of hybrid trading crypto background that you look for in somebody who's launching their own exchange. The exchange does do fiat transfers. Again, it is US-based, so you'll not only does it have fiat transfers, you'll probably get them most of your wire transfers the same day, so that's a huge advantage there. They do it for international wires as well. You don't even need any money when you sign up. First, when you sign up, they have $2 trial funds, $10 trial funds, $3 trial funds, and then you just have to basically submit KYC and then complete the trade within 7 days, and then that's free money. So they're just encouraging people to just get familiar, use the system, see how it works, and then when you do the real money, put in your own real money, then you'll be ready to go and know exactly what to do. What coins they have? So they have a pretty broad selection. They have all the big coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. They have a bunch of smaller coins too, a bunch of altcoins. See, the list goes on and on and on. A bunch of pairs against Tether there. Fees. These are actually pretty low fees. The maker fees are 0.1%. Taker fees are 0.1% as well. Other exchanges we've seen 0.2%. These are pretty cost effective. Futures fees are 0.02% for maker, 0.06% for takers. That's about in line with average fees, I'd say. And then the withdrawal fees, as a standard, it depends on the individual coin and the cloggage in the network, how much downtime there is there. Obviously, if the network is busier, you're going to pay a higher fee. If the network is less busy, maybe it's late at night, then you're going to have a lower fee. They have lots of good tutorials, instruction manuals on the website, Tbitex.com, leverage trading, advanced trading futures, that a lot of people just haven't done that. So if you want to learn how to do that, they have a lot of good articles here. You can look at that. Here's their Twitter page. They were just at Consensus, actually. See, having fun. They were speaking. I think that's the marketing director there. They're actually in Chain's basketball court section, the sport courts. They're giving away some gear here, some swag, looks like some t-shirts or fish or something there. They're really having fun with it looks like, so that is good there. And that's it. So yeah, this is just a quick little introduction. So it caters to the more advanced trader, specifically if you're looking to trade futures, trade leverage, have those unusual reward systems, the reverse positioning, all that kind of stuff. And then if you want a very large amount of altcoins, a high coin selection, with probably very good customer service, I'd imagine, and very little downtime since they put the focus on security and just having a smooth running system that doesn't quite have the traffic that some of the big exchanges have at this point. So if all that sounds good to you, then Tbitex is the one to go to for that. If you look in the comments, there's a referral code there. You can sign up using that referral code and get a bonus. And I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Ben Crypto signing out. Be back tomorrow with a new video. Catch you later.